Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato sorbet. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, flavorful tomatoes, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. These simple components are the foundation for a refreshing and unique dessert. We'll combine them to create a vibrant and sweet savory treat that's perfect for any occasion. Now let's prepare our tomato base. Start by blanching your tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then transfer them to an ice bath. This makes peeling them a breeze. Once peeled and cored, roughly chop the tomatoes and blend them until you have a perfectly smooth puree. For the silkiest sorbet, push this puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any remaining seeds or skin. Next, we'll create the sorbet syrup. In a saucepan, combine your strained tomato puree with the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Do not boil. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Then, transfer the mixture to the refrigerator and chill it for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Finally, it's time to freeze our sorbet. Pour the thoroughly chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the freshly churned sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 more hours to firm up. Scoop and enjoy this surprisingly delightful and refreshing tomato sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.